Claude Code gets killed by ZippyClip for AI video editing. Check this out. I just literally upload a video to my Google Drive and watch what happens. This software called ZippyClip is going to receive the file as soon as it lands in my Google Drive folder. And I've set up an automation by clicking on automate, and the actual automation is called new business video. And here are the settings. You can literally make it automated by dropping into a folder on the actual computer. And here's the prompt that will edit the video, and you can customize this for each automation. And it's as simple as this. That's all. Then you choose the channels you want it to be part of. You choose the channels you want it to be published to. Oh, here it's arrived, guys. It's arrived. Check it out. Alright, the video has been uploaded completely. So automatically this computer is going to notice that there's a new video in that folder, in the automation folder, and it's going to run it and start editing it using any prompt of your choice. After it's done with the editing, adding subtitles, remotions and hyperframes, then it's going to publish it to all of your channels. Guys, if this is not the easiest workflow to publish to YouTube, X, Facebook, TikTok and Instagram, and I don't know what is, absolutely insane. Alright, the files finally landed. Now AI is doing all the heavy lifting, transcribing. After it transcribes, it's going to add some visual effects like remotion and hyperframes. Check this out. It's loading up a bunch of skills. You can see exactly what's happening to the video. This is the automation. Right, the next step is adding all the effects. Check this out. So it's adding the subtitles exactly what I requested, yellow subtitles right in the middle. Here's the full prompt for this automation, and here's all the remotion and hyperframes effects that were generated for this video automatically. And remember, all I did was I dropped a file into a Google Drive folder. That's truly all I did. It's creating all of these different remotion and hyperframes. Purple is hyperframes, orange is remotion. Now it's going to add them to the timeline. Check it out. Here's the first effect that was created. Here's a second effect, it's going to add it to the timeline. Here's a third effect. Here's the next effect. Here's the fourth effect that's ready. Guys, with AI you don't have to edit anymore. You just upload to Google Drive. AI destroys video editing. Easy workflow, guys. Easy. Here's another hyperframes is ready. Once that's all done, it's going to publish it to all of my channels. Absolutely insane, guys. I just can't believe my eyes. Here we are. It's written all of the meta information. Remember, I haven't touched my computer. It's written all the tags, which means title, description, even the tags for the video. Check this out. It's posting into all my YouTube channels, all my TikTok channels, all my Facebook channels, all my Instagram channels, and all my X channels, and it's going to do that automatically. And all of these are going to say published in a minute. It's also going to add thumbnails for all of the long form videos, and it's going to chop them up to less than 3 minutes and publish to my short form videos as well. which basically it's going to make long form and short form videos with insane thumbnails. Now check out, you can see Facebook's already started loading, and in no time it's all going to be loaded. Right, follow for more insane AI automations. It's published to each and every one of my channels.